what is STP in chemistry? So the abbreviation STP stands for Standard Temperature and Pressure, and these have been pre-calculated out numbers. So the standard temperature is 273.15 Kelvin, or 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and the absolute pressure is exactly 1 atmosphere, or 101.325 kilopascals. So now these were all predetermined, and they will be useful with doing any calculations in regards to the ideal gas law. So for example, if a question said at STP, calculate the number of moles in 20 liters of a container. So in that case, you would use the formula for the ideal gas law. So PV equals nRT. So you would already have pressure, temperature, R is a constant, so you have that one. The question gave you the volume, and then all you would have to do was solve for N to get the number of moles. As well, when you are dealing with exactly 1 mole of gas, the standard volume can be 22.4 liters. So that's also an important number to remember.